Okay, hi students. Um, Today's lecture on special electrical machines. Special electrical machines, and it is introduction to special electrical machines. The contents that are having in this introduction to special electrical machines is first preface. Preface is nothing but is also called as a preamble or introduction. Preface is also called as introduction. And next, learning objectives. Next one, permanent magnet materials and PMDC motors. These are the units which you have given. Permanent magnet materials and PMDC motors. PMDC is also called as a permanent magnet DC, direct current motors, stepper motors, switched reluctance motors, square wave permanent magnet brushless DC motors, sine wave permanent magnet brushless DC motors. And next one, we are getting the what are the outcomes we are getting from these 5 units. What are the outcomes we are getting? That is to be having, and also next remaining one is to be textbooks. Next one is a textbooks. Okay, and about the subject or the course which we are having, which we have having in this semester, that is nothing but the special electrical machines, is also called as a special purpose machines or special purpose motors. These all are mechanical driven motors, nothing but like whatever the mechanical load is having is driven by the motor. We know that all. Here, it is an advanced course on electrical machines that students will be exposed to various special electrical machines which are gaining importance in industry. Example about this subject, one simple example I will tell you. That is, you are having the washing machines. For household applications, we most of the time observe washing machine. That washing machine is having a motor which is attached with a gear, which is attached with a gear. With respect to the signals given to that particular motor, nothing but at wash program, at after washing, after spinning, these are the programs which we are given towards the machine. That machine can be operated respected to whatever the signal that is getting. Okay, this is one of the best example. This is one of the special electrical machine. Okay, and next one, if you go for an industry, various special purpose motors or the machines are placing various special purpose motors. Okay, that is importance of this subject, and this course covers topics related to the principles, performance and applications of these special machines, including switched reluctance motors, stepper motors, permanent magnet DC motors and linear motors. Okay, these are very important to know about. Why? Because present days, present scenario in industrial areas and also the household purposes or the domestic purposes, we are using most of the applications. Okay, what is nothing but example is the washing machine. Okay, next one, a small vacuum cleaners. Okay, these are also comes under the special electrical machines, not having the highest ratings. Okay, and uh, some of the areas of industries having highest ratings also. Okay, these are all the machines or the topics which we covered in this course. The next one, what are the objectives you have to know or getting? What are the main objective of this topic or in this subject of each topic we are getting? That is nothing but it is operation and nothing but principle of operation and control of a switch reluctance motor, and also the PMDC motors, permanent magnet DC motors. Okay, next one, and also they explain the performance of and control of a stepper motors and their applications. Most of the time, we observe what type of applications are having for this particular machines in particular area. At which area it's to be having, that is very much important. Okay, Example, whatever the washing machine is one of the best example which works on the fuzzy logic, neural networks or fuzzy logic in present days. Okay, next one, to explain the performance and control of a stepper motors and their applications, to describe the operation and characteristics of permanent magnet DC motors. Okay, and also brushed DC motor and brushless DC motors. Okay, next one, explain the theory of traveling magnetic field and applications of linear motors. This is also the very much important motors which is having in applications towards the hospitality. Hospitality is also having some of the applications of using of these motors. Okay, next we will discuss what of the machines which we are having in each topic wise within the course. That is, if you consider this first one, permanent magnet materials and PMDC motors. Here, why we are going towards the study of permanent magnet materials? That is also very much important for you. Why? Because we know that the magnetic materials are having. Yes, without the magnetic materials, we can't build any motor nowadays. Why? Because if you remind all the motors of the DC side or AC side, if you go for suppose a DC side,